What's going on, guys? I'm out here in the pouring rain. It's a great weekend. I just get out here and my first target right now is a nice silver. Check that out. I knew when I dug it, it was gonna be silver. I haven't even touched it. It looks like a rosy. Yeah, that's definitely silver. 1946. Wow. You know what? We're gonna do a few live digs here. Let's go. See if there's any more. Nope. Let me put my glove on. And see. I mean, at first I wasn't gonna dig it, but then I decided. And I'm glad that I didn't pass that signal, because it really didn't sound like all this. You know, I wasn't gonna dig it because it didn't sound good at first. Damn dirt. Alright, here's another decent signal. Let's see what this is. Alright, it's still in the hole. We'll see. And of course, a pull tab. What do you know? Sounded better than that. See what else we can get. Make sure I didn't miss nothing. That's why you always got to dig your signals down. Just a bottle cap. Put the hole back. There we go. Glad I got the 10-inch coil though, because I don't think my other one would have found that. There's got to be more. We want a lot of silver. A lot of silver coins, maybe some relics. And there's a lot of garbage here. There is a lot of garbage, which, of course, something else. Let's see. Let's see what this is. Looks like a can. Just a bottle cap, like always. Alright. If there's any more over here. Keep moving on. See what else we can find. One thing, I hate coming out in this rain, but sometimes it's worth it. Probably gonna be garbage, but we'll see. We'll do this one quick. Alright. I'll get back to you with another.